Alright, hey guys, so here we have something kind of special. This is a FASCO State Fair antique brass, model 965. This fan was manufactured in February of 1987. FASCO has always been a brand that I've always had kind of a big interest in ever since I started collecting. And once I figured out, different model names and models themselves, for whatever reason, the State Fair always kind of stuck out to me. I always thought it was, a little cooler than the rest. Obviously, the World Fair is very high up there. This definitely falls on the list of one of my top favorite fans. I don't know why. I really can't explain it. I don't know if it's just design, proportions, or what. But yeah, anyways, I picked this up many months ago off of Facebook. It was listed as free, actually. It's in very good condition. It came with a 5 light fitter, like 4-arm with a center fitter. But those are just kind of generic, and I didn't really care for it too much. What else? So, anyways, I was cleaning out cleaned storage out and found this light kit in one of the boxes. Ironically, I was trying to figure out what kind of light I wanted to put on this, and I really couldn't find anything that I liked, and I didn't have a whole lot of antique brass fitters that are generic anyways. I've been doing a lot of Casablanca lately, and haven't gotten a whole lot of aftermarket, uh, switch, little switch housing mounted fitters. But I came across this, and I actually think it looks really good on here. These lights actually came off of a Casablanca Meridian. I have a set of 3 and figured, why not toss it on here? So that's what I did. Ironically, this has been if I was going to get a State Fair and a finish, I would have won an antique brass, and that was the first, finish I found. A week later, I found some white and brass ones. Although not in the best shape. They're not too bad, though, either. Alright. So, same as before, just, we're going to do, decade capacitor, I guess. Those are 4 40-watt bulbs. One amp. I think one of the main reasons I've always loved FASCO is because they always have a static low speed. Unlike Casablanca and many other brands, they had specific motors for each individual fan. And then they had a corresponding, they don't use capacitors. I don't remember what they use, like resistors or something, for the speeds. So it gives almost every fan a nice acidic low speed. I think even the Vanity Fair, which is like a 29-inch fan, still has an acidic low. So at low, we're at 0.21. Go to medium. Unfortunately, this thing does have some bearing noise, so that's going to be something I'll have to address later on in the future. It also has a pretty considerable amount of wobble. Gotta figure out what I want to do with that. But overall, runs fairly smoothly aside from those two little problems. Go to high. course, the thing kicks. It doesn't have the older style canopy like I wanted, but I'm really not going to complain, and if I really wanted to, I could swap it out. So on the high, we are drawing 0.88. I don't remember what we were doing on medium. I got to check. .48. Something else I forget to mention, this fan unfortunately does have a slightly saggy flywheel. I mean, the flywheel is still in great shape. It just doesn't retain its same shape, I guess I'll call it, as it did from the factory, so it doesn't have the characteristic upward pitch that most FASCOs have. But overall, runs fine. Anyways, let's go to the decade capacitor. What am I doing? Oh, that's why. Come on, you can do something. Oh, because I turned the fan off, duh. Okay, let's try that again. Still nothing. 3.16. .2, so that's pretty much factory low speed right there. See how this does on 4711, that might not be too bad. 5.26, a little bit of a jump there. That's past factory low, so probably wouldn't want to use a Casablanca control. Six. 0.3, 7.33, not a bad medium low. 8.37, 9.4, 10.43, 11.44, so that's just under factory medium. 12.47, that's factory medium right there. 13.5, 14.52, 15.54. So Casablanca control might be better for this. It's kind of where I like my medium highs to be, there's most airflows you can get without getting wind noise. 16, 5.6, 17, 5.8, 18.6, 19.62, and 20.64.
0.79, so it doesn't max out. That's good. See how it does in solid state. Probably gonna be very muddy. It's fuzzy. Yeah, we're started. So we're about 3 o'clock at 0.21. Let's go to about 1:30. 0.54. 12 o'clock. 0.73. 10:30. 0.83. Full blast. 0.87. So it's just a hair above the rated current.
Alright, well, there is my FASCO State Fair. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.